ChatGPT is reshaping the tech world with its superhuman functionality, but that's not even why Microsoft wants to buy it. In less than a week, ChatGPT has registered over 1 million users who can ask questions or simply have a chat with the AI. But Microsoft has just pledged $10 billion for a minority stake in the business, despite the company operating at a $3 million a day loss. So why bother? Because OpenAI's ChatGPT could help Bing become the Google killer. Google search has so far been untouchable, processing 85% of online searches, while Bing has struggled to break 9%. This monopoly is where Google makes its money, and Microsoft wants their part of the pie. Look at how bad Google really is. All I want is a training plan, and after sifting through the results, you still end up on a page where someone wants to sell you something. Now, look at ChatGPT. You ask a question, you get an answer. You can probably see where this is going. The big plan is to incorporate ChatGPT into Bing and blow Google out of the water. But that isn't the clever bit. $10 billion of investment is a lot, even for Microsoft, and this will be one of their most expensive investments ever. But they didn't pay cash. They bought 49% of the company, with what are effectively coupons. Remember the $3 million a day losses we talked about earlier? Almost all of OpenAI's costs are cloud computing. Powering the great AI brain takes a lot of processing power. And who runs the cloud? Microsoft. Not only will almost all of the $10 billion be paid back to Microsoft in cloud credits, but once OpenAI starts to break profit, Microsoft can recoup $7.5 billion of their initial investment, possibly making this the tech deal of the century. And it gets better. Look at how big of a deal this is. 3/4 of Amazon's profit is from cloud computing. Not the warehouses or Prime, but from the cloud. And if this cash injection via ChatGPT helps Microsoft reach a competitive price point, Microsoft could find themselves king not only of search, but the cloud too.